we're ready to go ahead and do the fun part, which is putting the tools on. So I like to always start with the larger ones first. We'll go ahead and pop this drill right up here. Now I went ahead and just melted down some more of that same chocolate that we used earlier. So we could just pop a little bit back here. And I'm actually going to even put a little bit of buttercream here, just so I can prop it up a little bit. But the chocolate is what's going to make it stick. Let's see here. We can actually sit this one way up here like this. We'll put a little chocolate down here at the bottom. And we can put a little bit right up here at the top behind there. Okay, and then just use a brush and clean that up. Alright, let's see, the saw. I'll just pop this right here. And we can actually let's get some yellow down here. Let's see here. Just start propping this stuff wherever you want it, really. This will look cute up here. Yeah, we can have these sitting up here like this. Okay, so that's most of the tools. We've got some pliers here, and then the nuts and bolts. And then I want to do a few cords coming from the power tools, so we can kind of have hang down. So I'm thinking this one, we'll go ahead and have this off to the side. Okay, so before we put these bolts on, what I want to do is just get some black fondant, and we're going to roll it out into a cord, and we're going to take it from here and make the little cords from the drill, the saw. Okay, so you always just knead it up a little bit, roll it into a ball like usual, then roll it into a cord. And so I'll just cut this off here and here. And then let's take the back of a paintbrush and we'll just kind of make a little mark right in there. Take a little dollop of the chocolate. See, it's hardened up a little bit again. A little bit of chocolate there to help the fondant stick. Again, this is something you might have to hold it there for a second or two until it sets. And then I like to actually curl it around. And we'll use a little bit more chocolate here. Then we can put a little plug on the end. Okay, so for the plug, all we have to do is take a ball, roll it back and forth a couple of times like this, place it down, and then just kind of flatten it. Then take a spatula and just cut it off here. Okay, and then if you make some little lines in it like this, we can go ahead and take this and place it at the end. We'll use some more chocolate. And then we can use our gray chocolate and just squeeze. Now when this actually sets a little bit, just want to make sure that it doesn't drip. When that sets a little bit, we can actually use the silver dust and paint that silver.